Another consideration after an extreme event, we've had something like 450 millimetres of rain since July the 10th. That's probably a 2.5 week period, and we've actually had soil saturation. I've gone around with the Hydrosense volumetric water meter, and the volumetric water content in the soil for the past 2 weeks has been between 42 and 48%, which means that the air porosity in the soil is somewhere in the single digit range. The effect of this on the tree is, we have a look at this tree over here. This tree a couple of weeks ago was much greener, and it's now starting to become lighter green and even yellow in some of these leaves. Okay, this tree has actually got quite a large fruit load, therefore a huge amount of sink. But concern I actually have after having that much rain is that these trees could go into a sort of a decline scenario. So the things I'm looking at would be looking at the level of phos acid in these trees, whether these trees have been injected or whatever. And in these particular trees, the root levels were 47 1 month ago. So there's probably adequate phosphonate in the roots at the moment to protect against Phytophthora. But my big concern is, have they got enough oxygen around the roots? And that's really measured by air porosity to keep these trees healthy. And some of the things I'll be looking at would be maybe foliar sprays with urea, magnesium, just trying to get a bit of extra nutrient into these trees to prevent the decline occurring. Because after 2007 storm, our experience was, in quite a few orchards around the Whangarei area, trees that were actually probably quite healthy, probably similar to this tree if we can just pan across to this tree here. A lot of trees looked like this before the 2007 storm, and 2 months later they sort of look like this. So as I was saying, just another consideration, another concern I guess we should be looking at what we can actually do to try to mitigate the damage that's likely to occur through root saturation.